guys! So today is the day of the huge lake house install day that I have. Wait, did that make any sense? Today is the install day for the huge project that I have, which is the lake house. We pretty much have everything in line. I got some cleaning supplies because we want to leave that place pretty nice and clean and spotless. And I'm meeting the handyman there. The delivery truck is coming today, and there's just so much moving parts and I'm just so psyched for it. So I'll catch you guys later. Wait, if you don't know what an install day is, it's basically the day the furniture gets delivered. Handyman guys show up to assemble the furniture, and we are racing against time to get everything set up and completed for the clients to enjoy. A lot of planning happened beforehand in order to make this happen, so let me just briefly introduce you to the people that worked so hard to make this happen. This is Will and one of his employees, Arturo. Will is actually a friend from high school, and he started his company several years ago. Him and his staff are so dedicated and professional. They do it all and they're super skilled. His employee Arturo, I gotta say, is one of the hardest working guys I've seen. I saw him put in the extra effort and work to make things perfect during this install. Next, we have Todd the toolman, and I found him online through a Google search because I needed to find a guy that was near the lake house. I am so glad that I found him because there is not a negative thing or review that I could say about Todd. He came on time and he was super nice, professional, legit the sweetest handyman ever. He exceeded our expectations and went above and beyond, stayed to the end on the day one install to help us clean up. And then we have Cottage Grove Design Repair. They were mostly quiet, shy fellows, but they were also great and professional and were able to execute what we needed. I really liked how they were organized with assembling. They were fast. Last but not least is my amazing friend and soon-to-be interior designer, Danny. She's camera shy, but she was seriously my right-hand woman for this entire thing. She handled everything so well and perfectly. I honestly don't know how I could have done this without her help. Danny, you were literally a lifesaver. For the first day, we met the receiving company at 9 a.m. and they were only supposed to deliver furniture items for 2 bedrooms. Let me just tell you guys that all the furniture for this main house was delivered to a receiver. All the furniture for the cottage was just shipped directly to the house. I hope that makes sense. Unfortunately, it did not go as planned. They packed everything in the truck for that house. So furniture for 8 rooms, and you can probably imagine and guess how much stuff that was. It was really chaotic and we couldn't figure out what boxes contained what items because there was only so much information on the label. So we literally had to go through each box, figure out what that could be, open it, and thankfully some boxes already had a picture of the item or listed more information on the label, so it was easy for me to determine if we needed it or not. Yeah, it was pretty crazy, I'm not gonna lie, and that took some hefty time away from our original plan. And I have to say though, I was really happy that everyone was in good spirits and maintained a positive attitude. I have to give the delivery guys a special shout out because of how patient and helpful they were during this crazy process. So shout out to Dane and Ryan from Coakley Brothers. You guys were the best. You were the MVP. Thank you so much for all your help. During this time, I was getting pulled in a million directions, just trying to figure out what item was in the box. The plumber was there asking me questions. I was getting phone calls for different projects. A few other handyman guys showed up and I had to direct them to their destination, trying to answer any questions they might have. So even though this situation was really crazy stressful, I don't know, I kind of liked it. I felt like this adrenaline rush. I know you're probably thinking I'm crazy, but it was like a badass moment. Soon after we got everything pretty much situated and the delivery guys left, that is when we got down to business. Danny and I started to assemble simple things like chairs, simple things that we could. She's really great at assembling, by the way. I was trying to finish up a chair and the plumber had a few more questions about the bathroom, so I had to stop what I was doing to answer his questions, show him the drawings. After a while, I decided to go upstairs and check on the bedroom progress and see if the guys had any questions for me, and also give them water because that day was pretty hot. The rooms upstairs did not have any AC. So that was pretty much the morning, and after we ate lunch, we headed over to the cottage, and I had originally sent the Cottage Grove guys straight to the cottage house when they first arrived just to get that area going. And when I walked in, I saw that they made some good progress, but there was still so much left to do. One of the rooms was full, and I mean full of boxes, so Danny and I went through each box, moved the items to their designated room, and just started a pile of empty boxes that needed to be taken out to the trash because I didn't want to leave that for the client to take out. Thankfully, Will let us use his truck to load the trash. Well, he literally loaded the trash and the boxes in his truck and drove it to the dumpster, which was really nice of him. For the rest of the day, we spent it pretty much unboxing, moving things, laying down mattresses, making the bed, sweeping the floor so we can place in the rugs, just taking out as much trash as possible.
I knew it.
Are you not a fan of IKEA?
No, no, no bueno.
Yeah, I try not to source too much.
Yeah, no, but you're good. You're doing it.
Towards the end of the day, this is how it was looking, and it looks like a hot mess. We did get a significant amount of things done. I was hoping we could get the cottage 90% done, but realistically, I didn't think that was going to happen. There was still so much left to do, and the good thing is I had planned for 2 days of install just in case. Just finished day 1 of install day. I thought we were going to be able to do it all today in 1 day, but I underestimated the amount of items that we have. So I had all the handyman kind of focus on the cottage. Main house is on a pause. But I sincerely want to thank all the handyman guys. I'll have all the information below, but they are amazing. They did such a great job. Genuinely appreciate all their hard work because it was pretty hot. So we're getting ready to go. We're gonna go grab something to eat, and then we're gonna catch you guys on to the next day. Good morning, guys. It is day 2. It's pretty chilly today, not gonna lie. I think the highest the weather is gonna be is 40 something. So it's so crazy. Yesterday was so hot and it was so nice, and now today is gonna be so chilly. Where is my phone? I lost my phone. Hold on. Okay, we're back. We're back in action. I forgot my tripod. Had to get my phone. And now we're good. All right. Day 2 arrived, and I was pretty sore, tired, and a little bit nervous about today. Danny and I had arrived at 9 a.m. and we went straight to the main house to finish up one of the bedrooms upstairs. I'm not going to go through each step for day 2 because it was really similar to the day before. The goal was to just get everything done, and I also want to take this time to say that yes, install days are fun, but not everything is going to be perfect that day or always be a smooth sail. There's definitely some bumps on the road for this install. Some items had not yet arrived. Some pieces were missing from a package. Some things were broken. So by day 2, I was definitely feeling the pressure, and we were just trying to finish as fast as we can and making sure everything was perfect for my client and his family to enjoy. We were going nonstop trying to get everything situated and done, and it wasn't until 5 o'clock when we had finished that we realized that we didn't really drink much water or had the chance to eat lunch. We were just so determined to get everything completed that we didn't want to waste any time, but we did eat our food and our lunch after we had finished, so in case anybody was worried, we did eat. I will note that my client and his family showed up as we were scrambling to finish everything on day 2, and so you could imagine the intense pressure that we were all feeling. But their immediate response to everything was just so humbling and rewarding to me. I wish I would have captured their emotions and response, but they loved everything. Everyone was so happy about the design. And I just had this really warm feeling in my heart to know that this family is going to enjoy this lake house very much. It was also such a proud moment for my business to know that we were able to execute the design, we were able to complete it, and for my client having faith in me to execute everything and just get it together. That is a wrap, guys. We still got a few things missing, got to get situated, but I feel like that's pretty expected on an install day. There's always something that's missing or something, little thing that's gone wrong. Do you want to be in camera? No. Okay.
Do you see what I look like?
Do you see what I look
I look like a potato.
So do I. Yeah, this is the end. I hope you guys enjoyed and got a glimpse of what it's really like for an interior design install day. It's a lot of work, so many things happening, many heart attacks here and there, but I want to say it's all worth it at the end, the finale. If you want to see the whole reveal, there will be a full video tour coming soon. So guys, stay tuned for that. I got so much good stuff to show you. So hope you enjoyed. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to be part of this channel, and I'll see you guys. I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.